Hi, this is Jen and our strange adventures in the COVID 2020 year. We decided to get out of the house for a little bit and made it halfway up to Mount Umanum.
Well, we weren't originally going to Mount Umanum.
We were just getting out of the house and taking a drive, and we followed this road, and here we are. It's a beautiful view halfway up to Mount Umanum.
Mount Umanum is not visible. It's actually over here somewhere. It's back in here. We rounded a corner. That's the parking lot that we were at. So, and we just kind of walked a little bit down the fire trail. We haven't gone. This is actually the fire trail right in here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There you go.
All the way around.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that because it's when we got out of the car, the car was reading 88 degrees, and I'm in shorts, but.
I'm in black jeans because I didn't know we were going to come do this. And so
Well, I should have turned at Shannon and not taken Hicks. That was my fault. But yeah, gorgeous out here. Nothing but gorgeous mountain areas.
if we didn't have a lot of smoggy foggy, you could actually see all the way.
Oh yeah, I mean look at this. I'll zoom in so you can kind of see. That's Silicon Valley right there. No, it's not. So, are you done with 88 degrees?
I am done with 88 degrees.
You want to get back in the car with air conditioning?
Iced tea and my apple pie, yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
That's the American way.
Yeah, iced tea and apple pie. Oh my god. Anyway, and I'm sorry the video is turned the wrong way. And I apologize for that. At least it's consistently wrong. Unlike last time where it was consistently
upside down and backwards.
it kept switching. Anyway, kids. Bye. You heard that right?
Bye.
I'm still recording, so we're only at 2 minutes. Jeez.
Be careful.
What?
There's you're walking right towards that gap.
Oh, this. Yeah, we don't want to walk down this gap right here.
No, that first.
This is not the path that you go down. This is cray right there. You get out of here and you ain't never coming back.
First step's dizzy.
Yeah, I think subsequent steps are dizzies too.
Yeah.
But yeah, don't be like all woo.
Yeah, you don't want to know what the buzzards are circling.
Buzzards are circling the last guy who fell down that hill.
That's what I meant.
And you got to also watch because there's horse crap. This is all horse trail, and there's horse crap on the trail. So
we're human. We don't know. It's been a very crazy 2020.
this is true. I don't think it's human though. That would be a little weird. You want to go down on that rock down there?
You first.
I can make it. Yeah, this is. Oh, here's. It did warn about mountain lions, so we're kind of being. And this is only the first. Oh, actually, this is the second parking lot.
Right.
But the first parking lot's not that big. It's not that big.
It's at the base of the hill.
Right.
But there's Mount Umanum.
There's Mount Umanum. I'm going to zoom in on it so you can see it. And it takes about another 45-50 minutes to drive up there, and we're not going to do that because, you know, I don't want to do that. But we know this little turnstile all too well because we've been up here a couple times. All right, we're back to the car, and
My back's burning.
all right.
We are in Henry Cole State Park.
The redwoods.
The redwoods.
I'm just gonna go like this and then put it up here. And I know that probably will get me kicked off Facebook, but it's really just a tree. Oh, low battery.
Uh-oh.